Far away in a sunny green meadow, 3 little pig brothers lived happily together. One morning, their mother said, "My little pigs, you are grown now. It's time to build your own homes." The 3 pigs hugged their mother goodbye and walked into the big, wide world. The first little pig was lazy. "I don't want to work hard," he said. So he built a house made of straw. Soft yellow straw covered the tiny house. "Finished already!" he laughed happily. The second pig wanted a stronger house, so he gathered sticks from the forest and built a wooden house. "This is much better," he said proudly. But the third little pig was wise. He worked slowly and carefully. Day after day, he carried heavy bricks. Brick by brick, he built a strong house. Meanwhile, the first pig relaxed outside his straw house, singing songs in the sunshine. Suddenly, heavy footsteps echoed nearby. Thump, thump, thump. A huge gray wolf appeared. His sharp eyes glowed as he stared at the little pig. "Little pig, little pig, let me come in," growled the wolf. The pig trembled. "No, not by the hair on my chinny chin. The wolf growled angrily. "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down." The wolf took a giant breath. Whoosh! The straw house flew apart into the sky. The frightened pig screamed and ran away as fast as he could. He hurried to his brother's stick house. The 2 pigs locked the door tightly. But soon, thud, thud, the wolf had found them again. "Little pigs, let me come in." "No, not by the hair on our chinny chins." The wolf became furious. "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down." Whoosh! Crack! The stick house shattered into pieces. The 2 pigs cried out and raced away together. They ran quickly to their brother's brick house. "Please help us," they shouted. The 3rd pig opened the door and pulled them safely inside. Moments later, bang! The wolf slammed against the strong brick house. "Little pigs, let me in!" The pigs shook with fear, but the 3rd pig stood bravely. "No, not by the hair on our chinny chins." The wolf huffed and puffed again, but the brick house did not move. The wolf blew harder and harder until his face turned bright red. Still, the brick house stood strong. Finally, the angry wolf climbed onto the roof. "If I can't blow the house down, I'll come through the chimney," he laughed. Inside the house, the 3rd pig quickly placed a large pot over the fireplace. The wolf slid down the chimney. Swoosh! Suddenly, ow! The hot steam frightened the wolf so badly that he jumped high into the air and ran deep into the dark forest forever. The 3 little pigs hugged each other happily. The first 2 brothers finally understood. Hard work and patience matter. That night, the 3 pigs sat safely together inside the warm brick house while the cool wind blew softly outside. And from that day on, they lived happily ever after.